Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to our next Femitech video tutorial. Now, guys, for this episode, I'm gonna show you how to make your PC run faster. That is if you use Google Chrome. Now, at times, whenever you use once you're not using Google Chrome, for example, and you might think that it is not working, it is not using up any space or any speed on your PC. Well, that is not the case. No, in order for you to actually prevent that, and then you have to go into setting that's in Google Chrome to ensure that it is not using up any space or any speed in the background. So let's go. Once you launch your Google Chrome browser, you need to go to the three dots at the top right hand corner there, click on it, then go down to settings, then you're gonna search for system over the left hand side there, click on system, and this first one that said continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. As you can see, it is enabled. You want to actually disable it, and that's it. Once you disable it, then definitely there is no use in the background as for your speed. So once again, guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again, guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.